right, how you doing today? Today we're taking a quick look at the L4 UltraMaximizer by Waves, their brand new limiter, if you will. So what's new? They got 5 unique limiting algorithms: adaptive clipper, adaptive release, upwards compression, true peak limiting, stereo link control, LUFS metering, oversampling, gain match button, and delta control. And here we have it on our master bus. We have our threshold control here. We have our delta here. We have gain match. Let's turn that on, play it through some things here. There's the delta mode. You can hear what's being clipped or limited, if you will. We have our clipper down here. Release, stereo link, different modes over here. Different visual effects in our upper compression down here as well. And then we have our true peak, and we have our other options over here. And then our standard user manual and percentages for the window if you want to make it smaller and bigger and stuff like that. So just a quick overview of the L4 UltraMaximizer. And of course, there's a sale going on right now, say 50% off, or you subscribe to the Waves Creative Access Bundle, which you can try out for free. So yeah, check it out. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.